Hello, today we are going to do a reading assignment, which will have the final product of a mini cartoon. Today we are going to be reading an article for review. The article has to do with what is geography and why is geography important. So, like I said, you'll be making a cartoon along with turning in your reading guide. So today you're going to be reading an article. The article is set up very nicely. It actually has 9 sections. Section 1 and section 9 sandwich in the 7 most important parts. So the beginning is an introduction to the article, and then at the very end, there is a conclusion that sums up the author's thoughts on what is geography and why it is important. We want to pull out the 7 different components that the author speaks about, and we want to log down why are those 7 points important when we are studying geography. So here's kind of a to-do list. You're going to get your things. You'll get an article that you will read online. You are going to read the titles. I will help you walk through that in class. You will read the body of each of the mini paragraphs one at a time. Once you read the title and you read the body of that paragraph, I want you to think about the purpose or the main idea from the paragraph. You will then log that onto your paper. When you have finished reading the entire article, you will think about one of the 7 topics and you will think, how can I show that in a cartoon? You will then draw a mini cartoon on your paper and you will turn that into Schoology when you are finished. So, for example, you will set up a piece of paper or a Google Doc with the following chart or information. Like I said, there is an introduction, and so that paragraph you can just read to kind of get an idea of what's going to be covered. But there are 7 paragraphs that are going to talk about why that particular topic is important when it comes to studying geography. So you will write down all 7 of the topics: important skills, the world, international understanding, citizenship, economics, history, and the environment. Across from that, you will log down why the author has stated it is important. And then you can read the conclusion. Then on a separate Google Doc or on another Google Doc or on a piece of paper, you will pick one of the 7 topics. You will write down the title of that paragraph. You will write down the main idea, and then you will draw a cartoon, a mini cartoon, to show your understanding of that main idea. When you are finished, you will turn it in. While you're reading the article, you want to always be reading with a purpose. The purpose for this particular article is we want to understand why the author is saying, based on these 7 topics, how does geography support that topic? And so while you're reading, you want to be always asking that particular question. When you are finished, please submit that into Schoology and have a great day.